At Johnson Controls, we transform environments where we work, live, play, and learn. We focus on outcomes that matter most. That's why launching Smart Factory with Power Platform was so important for us to stay productive and efficient.
What's great about the Power Platform is that we ourselves can go and adjust the code into how our process works.
We can see the business hour by hour, act fast, build on facts, and thereby make improvements that improve our productivity and efficiency.
Using the Power Platform and Teams made it much easier for our people that they only have single points that they need to go to.
I think we're on a journey right now where we can develop quite a lot. We can increase the amount of product that we can make, and I want to be part of that journey.